Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I'll show you how to add and remove page break on Google Docs. So if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I am here in Google Docs. Now to make page break visible, first of all I'll go to View and go to this Show Non-Printing Characters. I'll click on this and you can see here non-printing characters are visible. Now to insert page break, I'll go to Insert and over here you'll find this break and here is page break. Click on this and you can see our page break is added. So in this way we can add page break. Now to remove this page break, just bring your cursor after this page break and then type backspace and you can see our page break is gone. So in this way we can add and remove page break on Google Docs. So if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe.